I don't do Ipsy Addons very often, but it's looking like I did this month. Hi everyone, I'm Waigo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Waigo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what I received in the October 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, I am super excited as per usual. I just finished my BoxyCharm unboxing, and as of late, Ipsy's been a little better than the BoxyCharm. This also feels pretty hefty. So it's either going to be a ton of skincare, which will make me, I don't want to say upset, but just, I do want a good balance of skincare and makeup. And of course, I did select 3 items. Do I remember what those items are? No. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and go like this, that it's a good month. Did I make any add-on purchases? Possibly. I can't remember. But there was one item outside the bag. So let me show the bag first, which is quite heavy. All right, so this is got to be my favorite bag because if you notice, pay attention, have watched any of my videos, I always wear black. I only wear black clothes. Ever since I was like 4 years old, black's been my favorite color. All right, and oh, those are lips with like a little fang. Adorable. Okay, what is the first item outside the bag? What is this? It says, Then I Met You Calming Tide Gel Cream, 60 ml. It's not ringing any bells. Interesting packaging. It's like scooped in, I don't want to say flat. Here, looks kind of like a distorted egg. When I first saw it, like, I don't know why, it reminded me of like deodorant. Okay, I'm trying to pull, but you actually screw the lid off. Squirt some out. Does not seem to have a scent. And it's very much a gel cream. Almost like a serum. Is this a serum? Oh, it does have a subtle, subtle, subtle scent. Maybe a little bit of citrus. I like it. Next item. What is this? We have a palette of some sort. Yes, this is from HIPDOT and is the Witchy Warms Pressed Pigment and Glitter Palette. I want to say I picked this. I can't remember. What a beautiful color story. Appropriate for fall and extremely Waigo Warrior friendly. Let's do a few swatches. Those are lovely. Oh my goodness. Yes, 2 for 2, Ipsy. Next product. What is this? We have from, oh, Sugar Rush Tarte Easy on the Eyes Clay Liner. Is it going to be a gel pencil or liquid? Okay, so gel pencil. Very black. Ooh, please work well in the waterline. Every one I've purchased of late that claims to be waterproof and reviews and people are like, yes, it's great in the waterline. No, not my waterline. Put it on, looks good for 2 seconds. I blink and then it's on my bottom waterline. All right, excited to give this a try. Next item. What is this? We have from ILLAMASQUA Beyond Liquid Highlighter, 15 ml. In the shade OMG. This is what the packaging looks like. She's blingy blindy. Yes, I'm going to have fun playing with this. Blends out easily. Okay. What are we, 4 for 4? Shut up. I have a feeling something in here might be an add-on because I believe there's more than one product left. All right, next item. OMG, this is going to be pricey. We have from 111 Skin the Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream. 50 ml. I got a 111 Skin product recently from an Allure. Is it the same one? The packaging looks very similar. That's a very bougie, expensive brand. But I love skincare, and the bougier, I don't know why, the better I feel. Particularly getting it in a $25, no, whoa, this box went up, $28 beauty subscription. All right, there are more products in here, so during editing, I will list which ones were the add-ons. I don't recall at all. Although this next one I think might be an add-on. This is from VISEART, and it is a little tiny eyeshadow palette. I'm going to need my little friend. This is the Petit Pro Un. Oh, how cute. It has this little kind of magnetic opening. There is a mirror. If I ever went traveling, this would be fantastic to take. Very lovely color story. Very cute. Very WIGO warrior friendly. And why do I think this may be an add-on? I don't do Ipsy add-ons very often, but it's looking like I did this month. All right, next item. What is this? Oh, this is from HALSEY's brand. About Face, and it is Light Lock Lip Gloss. I think I picked this one. Really pretty packaging. It's round, but then it has flat edges. That's nice, so hopefully it doesn't roll off my table. This is a very, very light shade. Right up my alley. All right, let's do a little try on. It has a very subtle, barely there scent of, I don't know, maybe mint? Not menthol. I don't know. It's very subtle. Very glidey. Not sticky. A little thick, but not much. Easily purse your lips. Okay, what else is in this bag? What is this? Is this a lip product? Oh no, it's an eye primer from a brand called M2Ü NYC. I've never heard of that brand. I'm excited about this because A, I'm on the hunt for a good eye primer, and B, we don't get many eye primers in bags, so I like that it's something new and different. Was that an add-on or in my bag? I don't know. Okay, that was the last item. The theme for this bag is Pretty Wicked. And as always, no product info, just advertising for the Glam Bag X, which is coming next month. Oh, little spoilers. Some pretty good brands are going to be in next month. Fingers crossed I actually get some of those brands. All right, let's recap what came in my bag. Got a liquid highlighter from ILLAMASQUA, a lovely lip gloss from Halsey's About Face, a gel eyeliner from Tarte's Sugar Rush, a beautiful fall eyeshadow palette from HIPDOT, a recovery cream from 111 Skin, a calming tide gel cream, an eye primer from M2Ü, and a mini eyeshadow palette from VISEART. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are this was fantastic. I enjoyed every single product and will use every single product. Now, I know I did select 3 of the 5. I don't remember what those were. And obviously the extra products are add-ons, which I also selected. But then the 2 Ipsy threw in, I enjoyed as well. I'm going to list the MSRP value for my box items and then everything I got on add-ons. Yeah, this was really good. I'm happy. A really good mix of makeup and skincare at a good ratio. A little more makeup than skincare, and that's how I like it. Let me know, have you even gotten your box yet? And if so, what did you get that was different than what I got? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Do me a favor, click the thumbs up. It really does help my channel to grow, and leave me a comment. I enjoy getting to know each and every one of you. All right, thanks everyone.